Welcome back everyone. It's been a while. So this machine came in for a repair. The customer is saying the water is leaking from this area that is around the group head. When they put the portafilter, the water leaks around here. And he tried to change the gasket, but still it's leaking. So we are going to find out. First we will see what the problem is. I'll try to replicate the problem and then let's see if we are able to fix that or not. So stay tuned, let's begin. So let's have a look at the group head. So obviously I can see they replaced the gasket with a new one. That's why it is bright white. It needs some clean. Okay, so let me pour some water and then let's switch on the machine. This is obviously very loose for some reason. The other machine I had is a bit tighter, but this is very loose. Okay, let's see. I don't know if you notice, but I was trying to see where the leak is and I see it's somewhere at the back. Let's run it again. Okay, there's a new channel that comes from there. It's a bit hot. So there's a new channel of water that comes from somewhere there. Okay, since we are using non-pressurized basket, it's not obvious, so I'm going to change it to pressurized basket so that it builds up some pressure and then we'll be able to see the leak better. So here I got the pressurized basket. You have to be careful when you're repairing. Everything is warm, so don't burn your hand. Okay, let's have a closer look again. So it's dripping somewhere down here, so that's obvious. So let's switch off the machine and let it cool down and then we'll open and see what's going on there. We'll have to figure out whether the gasket is torn or not. So we'll have to open the group head. So find your Allen key in the cleaning kit, or it could be in the tray inside here. Some people store there. This is the Allen key. So now we could remove this. Now here's a little tip. When you use your Allen key, do not use it this way because it can hit and scratch the body here. Instead use this way. Now it will be easier. Turn counterclockwise and then make sure you don't lose that. Now you can use a nose plier and then take it out. Here's another little tip. If this is tough to remove, take a paper towel and a spoon and okay, that came off. And then we have that gasket which you could remove using this. See that it's leaking from there, and there's some coffee grinds trapped here. Well, I don't see any tear. Obviously I don't see a tear, just slight imperfection here, but that shouldn't be an issue. But I don't see any tear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the coffee residue, and then I'll give a thorough clean of the group head. Maybe there's some grind stuck there which is pushing the ring in, which could cause the leak. So let me give a thorough clean and come back. So let's have a look inside the shower screen. So it needs a bit of clean, that's all I see, but otherwise it looks okay. I don't know if this part is pushing here, but no. Okay, so here I got a brush and I'm going to clean up around this area. So this is the shower head I removed, and I noticed something seemed like there was some coffee residue here. It's exactly in that same area. So I believe there was a gap there for some reason, or maybe the gasket wasn't inserted properly. So I'm going to clean all these, and then let's run again and see whether that helps. So now I cleaned the shower screen, and I don't see any issue with the shower screen. It looks okay, and technically it should sit right on that crevices like that. So I inspected around here, and the gap looks okay. So let's try to fit it and see. So again, you need to insert it this way up. The smooth side should be all the way up, so like that. Okay, make sure it's sitting properly. It looks good all the way. And now we'll stick it in. Okay, that looks good. So let's have a closer look. So it looks like it's sitting properly. Okay, let's put the screw now. This time you rotate clockwise. Okay, that's tight enough. Okay, let's test run with a pressurized basket. Okay, let's begin. Yeah, it is leaking from the same spot again. So it's exactly that spot. I doubt whether a piece is broken there. We're going to do a close inspection.